Hello everybody, this is an old calculator Marchant AS8 from around 1928. It's an electromechanical calculator. It means that the mechanics inside is made of gears and levers, but the movement is assisted by an electric motor. You see, there isn't the main crank to add numbers in calculations, like in the mechanical typewriters, like this. There are still little cranks to reset the counters to use manually. This is not done electrically. We could say it's an hybrid calculator. There are 3 dials. In the left dial, it appears the number you set on the calculator, so you don't need to check it on the keyboard. The right dial is for the number of calculations and for the result in multiplication and divisions. In this dial there is also the position indicator, showing in which position the calculator is operating. These sliders are for the commas. Each position in the dials is numbered from 1 to 8. Also the buttons on the keyboard are numbered from 1 to 8. There are some lines from the buttons to the numbers of the dial, you see, so you can understand where your number appears. The red buttons are the individual column release button. You can press it in the column where mistake has appeared and then depressing the correct button. And the button on the right is to clear all the buttons. The addition is simple, you see. You set the number, you press the big bar, the other number, and here the result. The subtraction is similar. You set the number, you press this button, the other number, and here the result. Let's do this multiplication. You set 83,047 here. Then you press 3 times the addition button for the 3 in 123. Then you shift the carriage 1 position and you press 2 times the addition button for the 2 in 123. You shift the carriage again 1 position and you press 1 times the addition button for the 1 in 123. And here the result, 1,026,781. Now the division. There is a particular method for doing the divisions. Let's say 3235 divided 5. You set 5 in the column 8. Now you have to equal the 3235 by making consecutive additions. Now there is 30 in the dial. If you press it again, the calculation will be 35, higher than 32. So you stop. Now you shift 1 position and you press the addition button again and again. After 4 times there is 320, and if you press it again will be 325, higher than 323, and you stop now. Now you shift 1 position and you press again the addition button. After 7 times there is 3235 in the dial, and therefore you have equaled the dividend. your calculation is finished and the result is here, 647. This calculator makes a lot of noise. Working in an office with many of these should be terrible, but I like the sound of its gears and levers moving. It seems strange to me that 100 years ago there were already electrical calculators, but it's true. If you like this video and you did not subscribe yet, you could consider to join this channel. There are already around 80 calculators and typewriters in this channel, and I have at least other 250 typewriters and calculators to be added in this channel, and you could like it. Thanks for watching.